Hello my dear friends and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the light bulb on this headlamp assembly for it's an Audi Q5 2013, and this will work on similar models. So basically what you guys have to do, this one I have a bulb that's not working, which is that main one. That side works, this side doesn't. So all I'm gonna do now is remove it and check if it's burnt, or if we can swap it with the one on the other side and see if it's not the module. Hopefully not, but what you guys are gonna do, I have this this plastic here that you guys would want to remove. There's some clips here, so if you guys can remove them, that will help much more. It will make your job much easier. Now what you guys will do, you will see that you have some screws here. So I already removed this one. It's a T30 like this. Okay, you have to remove this one, and there's gonna be 4 screws that you have to remove. This one, and then if you go down, it's gonna be that one. You have to loosen this up, and so you guys, what you will do, you push this out. Okay, this is the where you guys want to reach. Okay, as you guys can see, you guys can't really open it because it will hit this this cover, it will hit this part of the frame, so you guys can't do much there. So that's why you guys have to remove 4 screws. So again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be the 4th one. That one is already removed, so this one I'm going to remove right now. Okay, and now you guys should be able to push this out. Let me show you guys. Okay, see how we pushed it out, and now you guys should be able to access this box here. You guys can push it out a little bit more. See, okay, so now, oh sorry guys, see, so you have to remove, oh sorry guys, again, you guys have to remove this pin. It would be there. Okay, so you guys have to remove this pin. Just pull it out like this. Okay, and now you can open this. So now you have plenty of access to the light bulbs here. And if you guys can see, this would be the light bulb. Let me see if I can show you this one. So this one, what you guys will do, you have to remove it from the, okay, like this, okay, out, and then we'll see it. If it's bad, we should be able to see if it's bad. Okay, let me remove it from here. You guys have to push this clip, and then you guys should be able to remove it. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, this is the element that is broken. So with this element broken, it's not gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get a new one. Also, you can see the burn marks inside, which is not good. And this one, this is expensive. I will see how much it is. I may order online. I think this in AutoZone is like $100, but it's a Xenon HD. I might just order on Amazon. I will leave the link on the description for you guys, so you guys can order this one. And yeah, and then To put it back would be the same thing. Just put it back, connect it, put the cover, mount the screws, and you guys should be good to go. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and I see you on the next video.